Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where it's Copycat Monday. Why pay a lot for a little when you can spend a little and make a lot? Today we're going to make Domino's sweet mango habanero sauce. To a saucepan we're going to add a 1/4 cup of light corn syrup, 1/4 cup of mango juice, and a 1/4 cup of orange juice without the pulp. 6 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of minced jalapeno, 2 teaspoons of minced habanero, and 2 teaspoons of minced red bell pepper. We're going to add 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/8 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/8 teaspoon of paprika. We're going to mix and cook over medium heat. We're going to bring the mixture to a boil. Now, as it's come to a boil, we're going to reduce heat and simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we turn off the heat and we let it sit and cool for 5 minutes. Now that we've added it to the blender, we're going to blend for 30 to 45 seconds. Now we're going to add it back to our pan. And we're going to simmer for another 2 minutes. Now that it's simmered for 2 minutes, we're going to cut off the heat and let it cool for another 5 minutes. Now that it has cooled down for 5 minutes, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon of lime juice. Mix it in. Now we're going to let it sit uncovered until it hits room temperature. Then cover it and chill. And use it when you need it. Be good on pizza, obviously, because it's from Domino's, wings, and our favorite, when we put ribs in the smoker, instead of barbecue sauce, we use this sauce. Very good. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment.